Ahoy fellow Vita comrades and welcome! Today we got a quick video about how to watch live TVs and streams from all over the world on your PS Vita, so let's get cracking! First, what do we need for this procedure? Clearly, we need modded PS Vita with internet connection and NetStream app installed. Then you need PC. I guess you might be able to pull it off on your phone too, but I'm using PC. So on your PC, go to this GitHub link where you can find collection of publicly available IPTV channels from all over the world. These are all public streams YouTube. If you are watching, it is all perfectly legal. We don't circumvent anything. Here on the website there is the main playlist, but there is so many streams that you wanna ideally go to grouped by category, by language, by country or by region. I clicked on group by category, then I picked outdoor, I opened the link in a new window, it downloaded it, then you wanna right click, rename and change the extension to .m3u8. You can pick any playlist from any category, but you always have to change the extension to .m3u8. Otherwise you won't be able to find it on your Vita. So you've changed the extension, now you need to transfer the file into your main storage UX0, either via USB or FTP. Then open latest version of NetStream app. Right now it is on version 2.04. Open NetStream, go to local storage, UX0, then find the playlist you've just transferred and click on it. And here you can find a list of all streams available. You can just click on a stream and it should run. I say it should run cause many streams won't be running at all. If there is an error, you just click on it, it will disappear. If there is an infinite loading, that means stream doesn't work, you need to close the app, repeat the process and try different stream. And it is also best to remember what streams don't work, so you gotta go systematically and not open the same non-functional streams. Cause right now there isn't any easy way of removing or editing the playlists or even add it into favorites or something. You just gotta know what you're looking for and then go for it. But systematically, remember. And that's pretty much it. I would say this is another great addition to the Vita homebrew library. Many live TVs even from my country work, so I can watch movies in my native language. Many music streams work, many movie streams work, many sports streams work. There is plenty content to watch, but as I said, it can get pretty tedious with the trial and error method. Either way, I like it a lot. Get it running today if you are interested in it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to not miss upcoming content. Join to support channel even further. Thanks to you for watching. Thanks to members for support. Thanks to devs for hard work. And I'll see you in the upcoming one. Peace out.
Missing the earring. One of them dunks I did got caught in the nets. I keep an extra pair in my backpack. Just for every...
Você deseja adquirir uma cópia deste programa? Basta depositar em nossa conta a quantia de R$50 e não esqueça de enviar o comprovante do depósito, mencionando o número